Welcome, today I'm with OnePlus Nord CE 5G and I will show you how face unlock works in this phone. So it will be some kind of the speed test. Let's make a few tries. Okay, so as you can see, this face unlocking is really quick. There's a very short delay, but the speed is very good. I can say that it's one of the best speed that you can find in the smartphones. For that price, I think it's a really good deal. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.